Serious allegations of arm twisting against a former Justice Department secretary define the latest retraction of a former Bucor officer in charge who follows in the footsteps of a self-confessed narcotics dealer, recanting earlier sworn statements and clearing Senator Leila De Lima of narcotics possession and distribution offenses. PTV's Bea Bernardo has more on the presidential spokesperson shrugging off and dismissing the latest about-face of the De Lima detention saga in this report.
Malacanang respects the independence of the court trying the drug-related charges of detained Senator Leila De Lima. This follows the recantation of former Bureau of Corrections Officer-in-Charge Rafael Ragos of his allegations against the senator. According to acting presidential spokesperson and Communications Secretary Martin Andanar, they trust the Department of Justice and the National Prosecution Service to perform their duties in the case of De Lima. Ragos was a primary witness in the senator's drug case. In his release affidavit, Ragos said that his previous testimony that he delivered money from inmates of New Bilibid prison to De Lima is not true. He claimed former Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre II forced him to testify against De Lima. The former secretary allegedly told him to make an affidavit that would involve De Lima in the drug transaction when she was serving as Secretary of the Justice Department. PTV is still waiting for Aguirre's response to Ragos' statement. Prosecutor General Benedicto Malcontento said that he wanted to see a copy of Ragos' statement before commenting. Meanwhile, Andanar called the statement of De Lima's scam that President Duterte was behind the fabricated drug charges as pure hogwash. Andanar stressed that the case of De Lima is due to alleged violation of the law and has nothing to do with her opposition to the government's drug campaign. On the side of the Department of Justice, Secretary Minardo Guevara said that he has not yet seen Ragos' affidavit, but it is possible that Ragos will face a perjury case due to his different statement. In connection with the allegation of self-confessed drug lord Kerwin Espinosa that the police allegedly forced him to involve De Lima in the alleged drug trade in the NBP, PNP Chief Police General Junardo Carlos said the PNP Internal Affairs Service and Directorate for Investigation and Detection Management will investigate this.
Then we look at it kasi hindi lang naman yun ang magtatayo ng kaso hindi lang naman yung sworn statement ni Espinosa. There are other evidences and affidavits that part of the proceeding.
Bea Bernardo for The Nation.